Hello, light people. From July 26th to August 12th, we have a period called Lion's Gate. It is a super powerful energetic portal that happens every year on the same date, and it is called like that because it occurs in Leo season. The energy of this portal peaks on August 8th, on the 8-8 portal. During this period, the Sirius star and the Orion's belt align with the Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. The ancient Egyptians already knew about this insanely powerful time. Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. It is a star just like our sun, but way bigger and with a higher frequency. So, during the Lion's Gate, Earth receives a lot of extremely high frequency energy, making this a very transformative period of quick, personal, and spiritual growth, and an amazing time for manifesting. What I suggest you do during this period of time is to first align with your heart. Leo's energy is ruled by the heart. So this is a time of heart's opening. Connect with your heart. Connect with love energy. Watch videos about compassion and love. Also, since Leo is ruled by the sun, and we have a lot of this star Sirius influence as well, go sunbathing as much as possible. Soak up in the early morning or late afternoon sun. Second, focus on what you want to manifest instead of what you don't want to manifest. And be around positive people. This is a time to monitor what you think, what you watch, and the people you hang out with, because all of this influences your manifestations. Third, ask for protection before you sleep and set intentions for a sound sleep. Vivid dreams and nightmares are very common during this time since we are releasing old patterns, especially during the sleep state. Also, be okay with heightened emotions during Lion's Gate. It could be old patterns releasing, so try to get through the ups and downs with grace. Journal your feelings or go for a walk in nature to soothe your emotions. Do what's necessary to process the emotions in a balanced and healthy way. The most important theme of this period is by far about manifesting abundance. So, I'll leave you with a manifesting technique called It's Natural. Whatever you want to manifest, you need to make it feel natural in your body. You need to feel that having that thing or being that version of you is natural. It's normal. So, when you do affirmations, allow yourself to feel that what you're manifesting is completely natural to you. You can even add the "it's natural" phrase to the affirmations if you want. For example, you can say, "It's natural that I have a lot of money on my bank account. Receiving money all the time is normal. It's natural to me that the universe just wants to give me money." Don't forget to feel the affirmations as true in your body. This is extremely important. I have a couple of videos of affirmations on abundance and money if you want to listen to them during this period. I'll link them down below. Or just use your own affirmations. Just make them feel natural to you. Use this powerful portal intentionally to release old patterns and manifest abundance. Don't miss this opportunity. I'm sending you a lot of love. See you soon. Much love, light, and truth.